Hey scam spotters!
Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose the truth behind viral products and suspicious websites. Today, we're diving into the trending Hhvb GLP-1 drops. Are they really the miracle weight loss solution they claim to be? Or is this just another health scam? GLP-1 has become the buzzword in the weight loss world, but does Hhvb's version hold up to the hype, or are we being played? Let's break it down. Hhvb GLP-1 drops are marketed as a fast, natural way to lose weight. No injections, no gym, just drops under your tongue. Sounds amazing, right? The product claims to mimic the effects of GLP-1 medications like Ozempic, helping with appetite suppression and metabolism boost. But here's the catch. It's a supplement, not a pharmaceutical. So what's actually inside? Let's talk ingredients. Most listings don't show full transparency. You might see vague terms like herbal blend or natural extracts, but no clear dosages or clinical proof. Next red flag, no FDA approval and no links to peer-reviewed studies backing these specific drops. Also, the Hhvb brand itself doesn't have much online credibility. No verified business info, no clinical trials, and sketchy reviews that seem copy-pasted across multiple websites. Most of the 5-star reviews? Super generic. No before and after photos, no detailed testimonials. Meanwhile, a few users online report zero results, odd side effects, or even difficulty getting refunds. That screams red flag, especially for something messing with your hormones or metabolism. So, is Hhvb GLP-1 drops worth it? Based on the lack of transparency, questionable reviews, and zero clinical backing? Nope. It's not worth your money or your health risk. If you're serious about weight loss, talk to a licensed doctor. Don't fall for shortcuts that could end up being expensive mistakes. If you've tried these drops or other sketchy weight loss products, drop a comment below. We want to hear your story. And if there's a product you're unsure about, let us know. We'll investigate it for you. Hit that like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and stay one step ahead of the scammers. Until next time, stay safe and stay smart. Thank you.